That was the biggest rock I've ever seen in my life. Let's go see what this point's all about. Glacier Point's supposed to be a real good view of Half Dome. You know what I want is full dome. And then there's another spot called Tunnel Point, which is supposed to be like a tunnel view of the park, I believe. So we'll hit that up afterwards, and then we'll head on out of this park.
A few minutes later.
Look at that view! Ah! Half Dome, baby! This is blowing my mind. Look at this thing. Holy shit! What the hell? This kid's on the point! Whoa! Whoa, that is impressive. Whoa! Let's see. Whoa, man, it's so sketchy. Yosemite. Freaking get here. Awesome. View right there, that's called the tunnel view. I think it's sweet. Get up in there. Sick. You seen this monstrosity? This is El Capitán. Dude, that was the biggest rock I've ever seen in my life. Oh my word. That's the reason why you need to ride. Whoa! Whoa! Wow!